Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. Titingnan natin ang energies for you ngayong June 2026. This is a general reading, so pwede kayong makarelate, pwede hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services. So kung gusto nyo ng private reading, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or you can book directly sa aking calendar, link on the description or comment section. Okay. Gemini, what's the energy? Energy for Gemini ngayong June 2026. You have protection. Rest assured, Gemini, you are protected. Claim this energy. And this can also mean na you might need to protect yourself. Okay? Ngayong June na mas maging maingat ka sa mga taong makakasalamuha mo, mga salitang bibitawan mo. Ayan. Okay, protect your energies. You also have, rebellion. Oh, oh my God. This makes sense because Uranus is in Gemini. Diba? It's like you are going against the grain. So, kumbaga, ano man yung, kung saan man papunta ang mas nakararami, dun ka, kinokontra mo siya. Sa iba ka, papunta. Like, for example, everyone's going to the right and then you go to the left, diba? Oo. It's like breaking free from your limitations. Mhm. That makes sense. Uranus energy yan eh. Oh, wow. Bravery. Oh, this is so... How can I explain this? No? Alam mo yung parang magkakaroon ka ng paninindigan sa sarili mo about what you really want. About what you really follow or yun nga, ano yung paninindigan mo? Maglalakas loob ka. Kumbaga, you are going to break the system. Some of you, no, halimbawa, kayo nakatira sa family nyo, parents nyo, pwede nga alis ka dyan because you want to live your life the way you want it. Oh my, okay. May rebellion pa ha. Let's see the overall energy for you ngayong June. You have the Lovers. Oh, this is your energy. The Lovers is about commitment. Decision making rin to. Kasi this is like you are in the crossroads na which way you're going to choose. O kaya nga maglalakas ng loob ka na pumili kung alin yung path na tatahakin mo. And in relationship, no, kung sa perspective to ng relationship ninyo, pwedeng some of you are leaving a relationship for freedom. Kasi gusto mong lumaya, gusto mong explore yung ibang kakayanan mo. 'Di ba? Let's see. What is your challenge? The Knight of Cups. Charm. Oh, this is like an offer of love, offer of peace. So, okay. So, merong rebellion and someone is offering peace na parang merong manunuyo sa'yo. Oh, okay. So, ang nasa-sense ko rito, even in relationships, okay, for example, magre-rebelde ka sa partner mo or someone na mahal mo sa buhay or someone in your life na nakikialam sa buhay mo. But I think yung rebellion na yon, meron siyang it's going to be a way para maintindihan ka ng iba. You get my point? Kumbaga they will realize, okay, sige, I got you. I understand what you mean, ganon. Now, what's your opportunity? The Devil. Your opportunity is to be the leader. Kasi the Devil, it represents Capricorn, leadership qualities, someone na feeling niya hindi niya kailangan ng ibang tao. And this is also about someone na may paninindigan sa buhay. parang meron ditong magmamatigas. Na ito yung gusto ko, walang makikialam sa akin, 'di ba? And then your blessing is the Two of Cups. You will be attracting yung talagang in alignment of your energy. Okay? You will also, I think this blessing is more on sa awakening mo kasi the Two of Cups is like the duality of uh, the things na parang meron kang realization of ano yung, like, you are balancing situation sa buhay mo. And this is like a mirror. You are mirroring. It's like you are having this self-reflection na who am I? Parang ganon. So it's like meron kang realization of who you really are. That's why you are rebelling. Rebelling? Tama ba? That's why you are rebellious. Tapos malakas pa yung loob mo. You're being brave to come out of your shell and to break the let's say, break the limitations. Okay? Interesting. Okay. Let's see what else. Spirit. This is your like your soul. This is hindi lang siya, I think this is like a soul level of rebellion, no? Pwedeng hindi siya sa physical, but your spirituality, your belief system can be, no? Oh my God, Gemini. 2 beses na lumabas yung protection. You really need to protect yourself. Ngayong June. And one way to protect yourself is your knowledge, your wisdom. Okay? Na mas palawakin mo yung kaalaman mo, yung knowledge mo, yung skill set mo, yung abilities mo. That is your way, or parang yun yung magiging source mo ng protection mo. Kasi marami kang alam. Marami kang kayang gawin para maproteksyonan yung sarili mo. Wow. This is something spiritual or malalim para sa inyo to, Gemini. Especially if you are someone who is spiritual talaga. Kasi some people, pero yung ibang tao, hindi gusto yung gagawin mo. Hindi magugustuhan yung mga actions mo. Potion, remember to practice self-love. Yes. Oo, kailangan din, hindi lang puro outward, inward din, 'di ba? Take care of yourself, what do you need, mind, body, and soul. Kasi yan yung, kumbaga yan yung magiging backbone mo yan yung magiging source of strength mo, which is yourself. You need to protect yourself. You need to take care of yourself. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.